50 years of non-stop progress and growth. 100% environmental friendly green unit. Customer base over 20 countries. Cultivating lifetime relations with our satisfied and very happy buyers. The largest single location merchant manufacturers of Labsa in India, if not the world. In the early 60s, Mr. Shyam Sundarji Fogla had transcended a great vision of a manufacturing empire known as the Fogla Group. Our first manufacturing unit, Jumac, was set up in 1968, manufacturing machines and spares for the jute and textile industry. 2018 will mark a full 50-year journey of sustained progress and growth. A small Labsa unit employing 8 people and produced around 1 metric ton per day. And today, Sai Sulphonates stands tall with employing state-of-the-art technology, producing 10,000 ton per month of Labsa, 90% and 96% at a fully integrated facility at Kharagpur, West Bengal. We are the single largest supplier and exporter to top multinationals like Unilever. Labsa is the active matter in common home care detergents and cleaning agents. It is the single most essential ingredient without which detergents cannot be made. While Labsa found a ready market in the Indian subcontinent with factors such as increasing population, increasing awareness about hygiene and increasing disposable income, weak sulfuric acid disposal seemed like a formidable task. As scale of production increased, we got more weak acid, providing an opportunity to diversify it to the fertilizer production. As we all know, weak sulfuric acid is a key raw material for manufacturing SSP. More than 400 people work around the clock in our fertilizer unit, manufacturing over 400 metric ton per day. Uma is the second largest brand in eastern India and a name to reckon with in the farming community. With increased Labsa production, the requirement for raw material sulfuric acid also increased. However, sulfuric acid in the eastern region was short in supply, making backward integration a compulsion. Hence, in 2011, we got an opportunity to set up a sulfuric acid plant which got commissioned in 2013. Burning sulfur in the presence of oxygen is an extremely exothermic reaction. By way of waste heat recovery system, water is turned into pressurized steam, which is used to run the turbine to generate power. This is the theory behind our cogeneration facility of 3 MW alongside our acid plant. This endeavor had made us a 100% environmental friendly green unit, as all our units are powered by captive generation. Labsa 90% is a detergent intermediary that is mainly used in the Indian subcontinent. However, international consumers are accustomed to using Labsa 96%, which is higher in concentration. In order to capture the growth not only in the home country but also abroad, In the year of 2013, we set up the LABSA 96% Balestra Technology Plant. We have set up one blow molding line with a capacity to produce 20,000 drums per month. We export LABSA 90% and LABSA 96% in HMHDPE drums. Driven by our motto, Buyer is King, we have successfully expanded our customer base in over 20 countries, cultivating lifetime relations with our satisfied and very happy buyers. Our plants are the most modern and up-to-date facilities, placing great emphasis on superior testing and quality maintenance equipments. Proper decentralization and delegation with the help of well-qualified and carefully selected manpower has simply added to our group's vertical growth in the last 2 decades. After this initial success, we have started the construction of a second acid plant having a capacity of 300 metric ton. With this latest expansion, which should be online by 2018, we will become the largest merchant manufacturer of acid in Eastern India and aim to develop the acid business as an independent vertical. The ever-increasing population with their demand for quality and hygiene excites us to no end. We can see an ever-increasing future demand for surfactants and detergents. Having placed ourselves in a shockproof industry coupled with our innovation creation of entry barriers gives our third generation of budding entrepreneurs ample scope to build upon the rock-solid base.